If you buy a property from a seller with seller financing and then you sell it with owner financing, it is not considered a rental. You cannot depreciate that property. Once you've sold that property with seller financing, that is an installment sale for most of you. Now, some of you may want to claim it as dealer property. That's a conversation for another day. But it is an installment sale. You will write off the interest you pay on your loan as a business expense, and you will claim the interest you receive from your buyer as income. Okay? It's not a rental property. You can't depreciate it if you sell it with seller financing. It is not the same thing. So if you want to hold rental property to offset income, you want to be able to depreciate, you got to rent it or sell it with the lease option. Then you can still get some of the benefits of seller financing, sort of, but not really. But you know what I say, friends don't let friends buy on lease options. I don't like to sell that way either, but anyway. If you want to treat it as a rental property, it's got to be a rental property. Otherwise, it's an installment sale.